this girl decided to do something really crazy. So, yeah, we're doing it. Automatic open and automatic shut again. Hey guys, so it's 11 p.m. and this girl decided to do something really crazy. So, yeah, we're doing it. I mean, I feel like y'all saw it coming with a low cut. It's like, who goes low without like, going bright, go low, go bright. Yeah, I definitely made that up.
Okay.
But anyway, let's dye my hair together, guys. Okay. Guys, I don't know if you can tell, the color is literally changing already. Hey guys, so while waiting for my hair, I decided to unbox some of the packages I got from Temu. So yes, I'm on the Temu haul again. I'm on the Temu train again. I'm not doing a full haul time around. I ordered a bunch of stuff, but I'm just going to show you guys the ones that came in already. So first and foremost, I got 15 items and the takeaway price was $45. So that's like $3 per item. Not bad if you ask me. And what were the items that I got? So I got a bunch of items. I might list them up, but the ones that came in are 4 out of the 15, and they are 2 umbrellas. So I kind of just opened this today for the first time, so it hasn't been a while. I just opened it today for the first time, and it's an umbrella from Meidu fashion umbrella. And yeah, this umbrella, oh my goodness, is my favorite because, okay, let me tell you guys a quick story. So this was the first umbrella I bought. You can see, right? It's still packaged because I just used the second one. So I ordered this initially, and then I saw this second one and I was like, what is the difference? And I looked it up and I realized that this second one was actually much better than the first one. I was like, oh my gosh, I already ordered it. I was so pissed. And I had to order the second one again. I know. Anyway, I got 2 umbrellas. I'm clumsy anyway. I probably would misplace the other one because I got this umbrella because I misplaced my other one. And fun fact, I didn't realize I'd misplaced it till like days later, and I was like, wait, where is my umbrella again? Anyway, I'm silly like that. So yes, I ordered this. This is the first one I ordered. I'm gonna show you guys. It came in like a box, like rectangular box. Nothing fun about that, but this is from, well, this doesn't have the brand. I don't think it was on the box either, but it just says this is like, so the difference I think between the 2 umbrellas is this has a UPF 50 plus, which kind of I guess protects from the sun, and this other one doesn't necessarily have it, but it has something else that makes it special. So this one, which has the UPS 50, which mostly is good for the sun, is the did you see that? Oh my goodness. So it's 24 bones. That's what it is. So it's like supposed to be stronger than the regular umbrellas, which has just 1 bone. This has like double, so also 24. It's supposed to be like stronger, but because it's a single canopy, it's still gonna be like hard to work with in the rain. Which brings me to, I love the, oh never mind, this doesn't do that. The second one do that, but anyway. Which brings me to the second umbrella. So I got this because it was 24 and I thought it was going to be stronger. And then I saw this one. Now this one is this is automatic open but not automatic close. This is automatic open and automatic shut. So that's so cute. But that wasn't the best part. The part that I love was, so basically it has double canopy. I don't know. Oh, okay, I'm not gonna lie, I actually just found out about this, but if you guys also are finding out just now, let me give you the gist. So basically, apparently, double canopy umbrellas are supposed to be like, you know, when you're in the like wind and then the wind is blowing on your umbrella, it's supposed to allow part of the air to go in through the exit. There's like exits here for each of for the second canopy. It's supposed to allow the wind to go in through here, so it's like kind of like reduces the pressure on the umbrella. So instead of umbrella like always either flying away or always bending, it kind of like help, you know, wind resistance. So yeah, I thought that was really cute, so I got it. Now I have two umbrellas, but this always will have backup, I guess. So yeah, that was two of the items that came so far. The third thing I got was this, guys. It's a flash drive. I have been wanting a flash drive for the longest time, so I got this flash drive. It's from Kexin, I don't know how to pronounce, but it's 128 gigabyte. And I was really skeptical. I was like, oh my gosh, please be 128, because like, you know, I need the space. And I checked, I'm gonna include a picture, but I checked and it was actually 128. So I got all my storage and I'm super excited because mostly for YouTube, guys. As a YouTuber, you need your space. I'm super excited I got this. And it's so cute. This is like this silver color. And another thing about it that I love is the fact that it has like two ports. It has a Type-C and it has a USB. You could send from your phone to your laptop or from your phone to like wherever else, literally. I'm so excited about this. Now for the fourth item so far that has arrived is actually really, really cute. I saved the best for the last, so are you guys ready? Chan chan chan! It's a smartwatch, guys. And check this out, guys. This is apparently all the apps it has. So apparently it has WhatsApp, it has Facebook, it has X, it has browser, it has camera. At this camera button, apparently it's for like to control your phone camera. Apparently it has steps, and it has like heart measuring. I'm like, it has everything, y'all. It has everything. And check this out, guys. It also has, where's that guy? It also has a game. Are you? It came in different colors, but like I love the typical like black, so I got it in black. So yes, guys, I think the hair is like, oh my goodness, updates. It is really, really like bleached, but I want it to be really bleached. Hopefully I don't damage my hair, but I want it to be really white because I really need it to really take in the color. So it's been 30 minutes so far. I'm probably gonna wait for 15 more minutes and then try to rinse it out and apply the color. So catch you guys when I do. Hey guys, so it's time. It's been 50 minutes, I think. Yes, it's been 15 minutes. I may have gotten distracted while trying to do some other things, but I'm not supposed to leave it for more than an hour and it's been 50 minutes, so definitely time to get it out. And it looks like it's good already. Gosh, I hope I got the back, guys. Still blue, but anyway. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, it is so bleached. It's so cute. Girl. Sorry. Oh my gosh, I want to leave it like this. Like, oh, the plan was to just rock it like this with beautiful adding color, but it's okay. The goal is pink, so alright guys, I'm gonna wash this out. I'm supposed to just rinse it and then apply the pink. I don't think it said to dry it, so I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna rinse it and then apply the pink. So yeah. Okay, so this was my fear. I was scared that it was going to turn out yellow. So the plan was to initially to divide the bleach into, apply the first one. Once it turns out like this, then apply it again. But the bleach was too small, so I was scared like half of it wasn't really gonna do the job. So I guess I'm just gonna apply the color like this, and hopefully it still like comes out, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna double check the instructions if I'm meant to try, but I don't think so. So I'm just gonna apply the pink and wait for the final result. Oh no. Bro, just bleached my freaking. Anyway, we'll figure it out later. Time to color. No, I got on my hands. I'm so scared. Oh, my hands are colored. Hands. Should have worn gloves on both hands. But anyway. Yeah, the drill. Oh, I need to put tissue on this thing. Don't put this thing anywhere again. Okay, stay there. Let's get messy. Oh boy. Oh my god, I'm so scared. My white sink is gonna get stained. I don't know how I can do about that. It's just colored, right? So it shouldn't harm my scalp because I didn't put. Okay. I didn't put Vaseline again, so I don't think color will do anything to the scalp, right? So let's see. I'm sorry. She's so cute. I'm sorry. I really hope. I'm always scared about the back, guys. I hope I get the back. That's always my biggest concern. Oh, it hurts. It's hot. Oh my goodness. It looks so cute.
Breathe in. Breathe out.
Okay. Yeah, apply just a little bit to my brows. It's not going to do anything because my brows is not bleached, but just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
It's not going to do anything except dye my skin.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Anyway. Hey guys. Talk. But it's done. I think it's been 15 minutes, so I'm gonna take this off and use it. It's dripping all over. I can't talk a bit now. So yeah, my roommate just got home and I had to be quiet since I was in the bedroom, and the bedroom is like right next to her room. So I couldn't talk much, but I just washed it out, and this is the final result. I may have dyed my whole forehead by trying to dull the brows a little bit. I knew I wasn't going to do anything, but anyway, the color is apparently semi-permanent, that is temporary, not really permanent, so hopefully it doesn't stain my skin. Yeah, so I don't know if I should dry it off, because since the hair is short, it like most likely dries off on its own anyway. And plus I don't want to add more heat since I already just bleached it. So I'm thinking of just letting it air dry. I don't know. Should I dry it off? Okay, I think I might dry it off just so I'll be able to sleep, because obviously I'm about to go to bed. It's like 1 a.m. Scratch that, 2 a.m. Anyway, yeah, so this is the final result. I might dry it and come back for a final look, but yeah. Oh yeah, I just realized the dryer is gonna make noise because my roommate is back and she's literally going to bed. So yeah, I might not dry it because it might make noise. Or I might just dry it briefly. I don't know. I'll let you guys know if I decide to dry it or not. But for now, this is so cute. It's like, oh my goodness, like I was kind of going for a lighter pink, like babyish pink, but even though the package clearly showed this color, so I'm not complaining. Like, this is still okay. Hopefully it's gonna like turn lighter the more it fades, and I'll get to rock that color for some time. But for now, guys, this is the finished product. Hey guys, so I ended up drying it just a little bit because I couldn't dry for so long. I didn't want to wake my roommate up, so I just dried it a little bit so it's not like so damp, and threw on some hoops just to give it that, you know, feel. So this is the final look. I love it, guys. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Adios amigos, that's Nariata and Young 11. Bye guys, peace.